السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبरकातुह। मैं बेहद मशकूर हूँ हमारे प्यारे भाई शेख डॉक्टर सुलेमान गानी साहब, जो कि यूके से तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, पाकिस्तान की विज़िट पे तशरीफ़ लाए हैं। आने से पहले भी रब्ता हुआ था, हमारा रब्ता था, तो हमारी मुख्तसर सी दावत पे इन्होंने जो है दावत कबूल की है। हमारी पहली मुलाकात दारुल-क़ुरा rawalpindi के शहर में हुई थी, जिस वक्त मैं दारुल-क़ुरा rawalpindi के शहर में पढ़ रहा था। ये तकरीबन 2013-14 की बात होगी। तो उसी ज़माने से हमारा तारुफ भी था, मुलाकात भी थी। आज दारुल-क़ुरा rawalpindi तशरीफ़ लाए हैं और मेरे मुअज़्ज़ज़ तलबा ने तिलावत भी सुनाई इनको। बड़े खुशी के इजहार के अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खुश हुए हैं। और अभी डॉक्टर साहब खुद आपको बताएंगे कि इनके क्या एहसासात हैं दारुल-क़ुरा के हवाले से और तलबा के हवाले से और आवाम को यूके, यूरोप, यूएसए, एशिया, अरब कंट्री के जो भी आप सुन रहे हैं, क्या पैगाम देना चाहते हैं? जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन। क़ारी अय्यूब वज़ीर ने बहुत मशहूर वो अपने हम को दावत दी दिया। And we are very pleased that you have welcomed us here at Dar-ul-Qura. I just wanted to also say to the students who are from abroad, international, different parts of the world, I'm visiting Islamabad today on this 22nd of January 2026. And yes, indeed, as Qari Ayub Wazir pointed out that I met him many years ago when he was also a student and a teacher at Dar-ul-Qura Peshawar. Subhanallah, today we are meeting him here in Islamabad at his institute, the Dar-ul-Qura, and he gave me a unique opportunity to listen to some of his students. Most of them, they are on a break now, as it is the weekend, but Friday, Jummah, they are closed. But I was able to listen to one student. I'm informed that he has mastered the Quran. You can test him anywhere and he won't make a single mistake. That was the young Hazrat Umar. And also I listened to the other student, Umar, who recited beautifully. So these is an example of a a place, an institute that specializes in teaching the student not only to memorize, but it actually encourage and motivate them to learn the Quran in different renditions as well as perfection. I've understood that Sheikh really laid great emphasis on the tajweed. One is also to memorize the Quran, and Qari Ayub himself is a well-known reciter. He's participated in many of the competitions. He's even visited Cape Town in South Africa, and he's also been leading prayers at the King Faisal Masjid, Faisal Mosque here in Islamabad. So I'm saying this, if you are ever you visit Islamabad, then do visit Dar-ul-Qura here, and inshallah you will be inspired. And who knows, the time may come, this can be a center for students to study from different parts of the world to enroll here at Dar-ul-Qura.
Inshallah.
Jazakumullah khairan, Qari Ayub. I'm very pleased that you have given us this unique opportunity to be here at your place in beautiful Islamabad. Assalamu alaikum.
شكرا لزيارتكم.